Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Ethereum has used the weekend mainly to just move sideways. We have started to move down earlier today, but really only, well, we're still holding above the Friday low. Okay, so what's the overall structure we're tracking here? I'm tracking two structures. I'm tracking the white count, which could send us down lower, back into the area around the April and May low points. So we talk about the area around $2,800. This is definitely a possibility, but cannot be confirmed until we break at least below 3,337. Better would be a break below 3,208. It would just confirm it a little bit more. So we have a support area. I'm looking at higher prices in a possibly still unfolding diagonal pattern, so I'd like to see that fifth wave to the upside, but only as long as we're holding 3,208. Below that level, I'm going to switch to the white count primarily, which should send us down a little bit lower into this support area around 2,800. But again, that cannot be confirmed. At the moment, I'm tracking actively this yellow count, and it's what I'm leaning to. But again, it's only a diagonal pattern, it's not an impulse. And therefore, we just shouldn't be surprised if the upper support area breaks. In this upper support area, I don't actually expect the price to come down very, very low. So I would actually like it to hold 3,337, maybe even 3,471. So we don't need to come down much lower than where we're now. The price has spent quite a bit of time in this sideways consolidation, and it is looking like a healthy fourth wave. Quick reminder, the idea is that a larger degree fourth wave bottomed on the 13th of April. Wave 1 to the upside of a larger fifth wave, which I haven't shown on the 1 hour chart, but there's a fifth wave up here. Yeah. Then a wave 2 down, wave 3 to the upside, wave 4 consolidation. So it looks quite nice, looks quite good in terms of proportions between wave 2 and 4, and then another high in wave 5 expected. 5 waves up. But diagonal patterns, they cannot be trusted because this is all happening from a corrective base, which means the wave 1 was a 3-wave move. The wave 3 is a 3-wave move, and the wave 5 would be one as well. So we just have to be aware that things could easily break, but at the moment there is nothing that would objectively be telling me that support is going to break. No, I'm still looking for higher prices. There might be on the micro level, maybe another low. So we're going to take a look at that. But overall, just be aware of the key levels here of this range this week and what the upside breakout points would be. Zooming in a little bit, you can see that this is the detailed wave count for the wave 4. I'm labeling it as a W, X, Y structure. In the Y wave, I'm tracking an A, B, C structure. And the white box is actually the ideal target range for the C wave. It's between 3,527 and 3,621. The market already reacted to it on Friday. That's precisely what we want. It's a support range, it's a target range that is even a little bit smaller than the larger main support region here. If I track the C wave down, we could easily form one more low. We don't have to stop here at the white box, but there are just additional levels to watch. Below that, it's the very important 38.2 retracement, which is very, very important generally for a fourth wave. It's typically the most common target for a fourth wave. And initial resistance, there are a couple of levels which are important. 3,710. A break above that level would be an early indication that a low has formed already. But a better indication would be a break above 3,783. Yeah, and then obviously this is the nearest resistance area, the absolute nearest resistance area. But when we really talk about a range breakout, I'd like to see a break above $3,890. That's the B wave top. Typically, as soon as we see a break above a B wave, that's often an indication that a low has formed. So yeah, not much more to say. We're just ranging at the moment. Obviously, a break above that green line would then likely send us into the $4,000 region in wave 5. for one more final push in this diagonal pattern. So yeah, that's my update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.